Check, check. 1, 2. Alright, here we go. Bang. We got 5 minutes to set this up. Start from scratch. We're gonna do it on 2 things as well. Right. We need horizontals first. You mark it open. You have it open. Yep. Another one. Alright. Yep. Open. Then this was day. And huge gap right there. I think we're going up. Like the day. More for night. Low, sorry. Move that. And L. Boom. Same shit on the other side. H. On the other side. Ping. So we've got open, high, low. Now we need fibs because it'll be easiest to do right now. Ping to. Oh, fib. Bang to bang. Same on this one. Bang to bang. Change this up a bit. Take away the 0. Take away the 1s. Take away the 2s. Save as. Neat. Choose template on here. Neat. Alright. Go back to the minute. Both. Move these across. Okay, so we've touched the high last. I want to see it go up to the gap though, but I don't know. I also see it like coming down. What else do we need? 930 orb. 945. Right, let's see what these cunts are saying. Yeah, so I caught a cell and it's going. Let's fucking get rid of the sound on those cunts. My thoughts here was the sell, because price last hit and created the high of the day, and so I kind of want to see it in the US market come back down and make a newer low, and then go back up and make a newer high. But yeah, we'll see. Got one got one micro, using micros. Want to have a listen to these cunts and see what they're up to. So from the the open of the day, we came down, started retracing back into the orb, and done a retracement here. We're now fighting against VWAP. I want to see that broken, orb broken as well, exactly like that. Then I want to see a continuation all the way down to the lows of the day. So on NQ, we'd be running like $600, $500 at the moment. Let's just see what happens. Want that to stay below. Quick touch and go here. Yep. What I could see happen here as well is this is the true bottom of the orb right now, especially with SPX running down to here. Position bracket enabled. What does this mean? This could be good. I need a video on that before I move into that. Because we're only running one micro. I wanna take the long haul. So one of these, see this push up to the 20s, see this push up to the halfway probably, and then flip here, just continue pushing down. But I want to see this fully engulf this candle as well. Otherwise it's kind of not worth it. So we need to see the push down, especially past VWAP as well. VWAP hold, this 3-bar play here. SPX pushing out for the last minute, not 2 minutes. And there's a massive rejection, kind of unexpected to be honest. But it works for me. I'll check out the news as well. Alright, so we have high tapped on the right and high tapped on the right. We should see the fake out here, and it just comes straight back into orb on the right here. That's what I'm waiting on. Once that happens, I'll probably scale into this trade. Yeah, huge, but we need to see the reaction. So I think if this is not a fake out, then we should see this current candle push straight up back above orb. So I'm going to have my stops here. But if it's not, and then we're heading down, then sweet. Alright, we've broken orb underneath. Just need the same on the right hand side now. but it's respected the VWAP twice and our fib levels as well. I think I'd be keen to scale in now. Probably on the retest would be the best option. Let's see what a fib looks like on this anyway. Just depends where this candle finishes. Or the next candle, whatever's the lowest part. We want the retracement to kind of line up like this or like that. Or even down here, but that's probably not going to happen. We'll see. 1 minute retracement, get in on that. I'll get in on VWAP. Okay, we've just broken on SPX as well. It's a good sign. Could fake out here if it does. I don't know. Could even take out here. Trying to go for the long plays because I'm used to the short plays. I reckon I could crack it on the short plays, but they reckon for longevity and you know, becoming a master at trading and stuff, it's about reading the long plays because that's what's going to help in the long run. But I think the short plays would work as well in the long run. If this 3 bars down, I'm gonna take. So we're seeing retracement. We're gonna pop a fib here. See where it wants to go. Pretty much where our entry is. It's gone up a couple, then it's come up, but it hasn't broken this one. I think we might just keep that there. And scale in possibly. But yeah, the goal is to hit the lows down the bottom. Currently no gaps, we're at the midline as well for sell in here. I want to see us stay on the midline for this candle. Midline's about here, so it's kind of in line with our entry in the fib. Got 25 seconds. Let's see where this fib would go. Respect the midline. Fake out the midline. I scaled in for a second. I want to see this orange line here respected and this current one respected, so we need to push down on this candle. We'll back up to orb on this one here. It might be chasing these yesterday or 2 days ago's gaps. Oh shit. Okay. My bad, my bad. Hold on. Nah. What? Check. Are you listening? Are you watching still? Let me know. I'll find I'll fucking. Oh no, this is going up for sure. Oh yeah, here we go. I couldn't see on I couldn't see on my other one. I'm just gonna push this to here. Previous high. There's a little gap here. We'll see what happens. This is pretty bad though. Not gonna lie. Here we go. Yeah, we'll see that. Two and a half weeks left. That's kind of heaps out. There's still heaps of time. Like if you calculate a 14 days by yada yada days. Wait a minute, bruv. If that doesn't push back up here. Perfect, but frick, I doubt it. Back to 132. Do not stop or take. Way better when watching the trades, to be honest, since it moves too fast. Stop losses can be a burden. Yeah, nah, hard I feel. 451. No stops, no take. Oh yes, pocket, yeah. Means. How's the pocket and stuff been? Let's run that up. Yep, as it should have, eh? This push off. Yeah, pocket's like is that today? And then back up? Wow, that's huge. The very same in the stock we're in motion trade. Seen rebuild out, it could be different tomorrow. So yeah, I can't say nothing on it. Only because it's working out. So whatever works, you gotta protect that out. I know if I speak on it or anything, just because of my nature too, I like to figure out all the problems with stuff. So, and then try, obviously try and fix as well. But if it's working out, it's working, G. So, stay on, stay up. Because it's mean to hear. Yeah, G, yeah, hard. 51 AM. I want to see this either break back in and then start rummaging all the way through all this back for the lows. We're at the highs of the day. I'll show you what the daily's showing as well. This massive gap. This one, and it's already been filled almost halfway, so these two. Yeah, that's mean. quick. Highest percentage I've had, I think 92.31% day win. Yeah, that's pretty solid. On 12 and 1. Yeah, that's me now. Alright, here we go. We got midline on this. It could just keep pushing, as well. Like, here's the days. That's high of the day up there. High of the day. This fucking all-time high right here. All time. Doesn't work with the black either, do you? What do we actually have here? Let's just retracing this whole spot from either mid or top of here. Yeah, that's where I'd look for entry for sure. Is that like bounces off POC in that, or just straight off POC? So the full gap midline has now been broken. So we'll get rid of that. And we're only left with this last gap that is yet to be filled, especially the halfway. Could probably see like a spot right here. They don't really like, they're not really wet. You're right, love. Yeah, what is the strategy? 60 points stop loss. Crazy. Just running one micro. Playing reaction when I shouldn't. I mean, playing proactive when I shouldn't. Alpha effects, I don't mind you. Anything free's good. Let us know, bruv. But yeah, I don't mind it. I don't really jam Forex though. Staying on top of this area at the moment. I've kind of got no reason for this stop loss to be here. I need like a previous day or something, area of interest, to really be like, oh yeah, this makes sense and is okay. But like I got a few gaps right here, right? It doesn't really make sense. So I kind of feel like it's still going up, not gonna lie. But if this midline here is the only thing that like kind of drives it down, then mean. That is mean. This is what I've got here so far anyway, fam. The few things that I have in my pocket. Let's just tighten up our stop loss right here. I don't want to see a 4-bar play, so if required, I think I might bring my stop down to maybe even here. There's a few gaps right here that need to be filled. But if we have like a small green candle here, basically my white candles, then I would kind of expect the 4-bar play down. Looks like small reversal pattern, 3-bar play down. Alright, so this is the stuff that I've got going on. Just some levels that I use. Have a gaze. Let me know what you reckon. Alright, one is true open. 2, Globex range. 3. And I think using the Globex range to call like the 930 candle, that's pretty spot on, eh? Not even lying, that's pretty spot on. Globex range, Globex fib, 20 and 70s only. 4, orb, I like it. 5, using SPX. 6, what do we got? Yesterday's valley areas. Oh, I'll write that out, eh? Yesterday's valley areas. 7, valley areas. Is there anything else? I'm not really sure, to be honest. What I kind of look for, fake outs and stuff. So I didn't expect this one down here to be a fake out, but we got faked here, bruv. Then it pushed up straight over the high. But I should have kind of read it with the SPX, so that's on me. And I don't mind because I'm still trying to get used to the SPX reads as well. Just having a gaze at this. Let's run break even here. Just testing out some strategies. Sent trading straight step in Discord chat. Yup. Who's Alpha Figs? No idea, my man. But I'm good on him. Yeah, no idea. Alright, so right there, if this is respected and stays, I think I want to chase this as well. I think I can see this doing a 4-bar play at least, if it doesn't do a 3-bar right here. 317, let's have a quick look at the news. I think I'm gonna try and stick in this for the long haul. Like I don't know. I've got a feeling like it's gonna pop all the way down, and this might be the best trade I've ever done, ever. Which I'll be looking forward to. That'll be wicked. Oh my god, what is this? How much points is that? 360. It's crazy. Can't tell where your POC is. Oh, my POC's all the way down here, bro. Yeah. Just this line right here. You probably like it red, eh? Should I make it bigger, bro? See what that looks like. Looks like ass, eh, bruv? Right here. Let's see what that looks like. My pocket's over here, bro. That red line right there. Careful because I'll rush back the pock depending where it is. Seems like it's almost creating its own pock right here. Like maybe it's trying to flip, you know? There it is, there's a 4-bar play. Trying to push up. I can see it just heading here and then dropping it still. Like it won't beat this one. Let's get rid of this. That was a good trade, not gonna lie. Just needed to be on NQ for that one. The midline trade. I can't trade it again though, because no, it's already rejected off here twice. Yeah, exactly. Broken Valley area high. It's kind of like taken off. You have a look at this, G. We've still got to fill in all of this part here, but it's just done like the massive fucking dip as well. This could be 3-bar play to the upside, but Hasn't really like broken down here, eh? You know. It will come back down eventually. It's just trying to figure out when. Oh yeah, the POC's flipped on this one. The POC is all the way up here now. Yeah, it does a lot of like choppy shit. In between, this is what I noticed too, is that in between 250 and 310 is actually like the biggest move. And it's usually got like news involved in it as well at the 10 o'clock, but there's hardly anything here. It did break through the high of the day though, like on that. Right here though, if we don't 3-bar play up, like we've got a, I don't know if I would consider that a doji, but looks pretty doji to me. If we 3 up, I might run with it. It's hard to know what to do here. Bro said he'll run with it, so run with it. Yeah, at the nearest lows right here. But I also feel a POC flip, eh? So POC hasn't flipped here yet, but it should soon. If not now. Nah, yeah, I'm already like iffy about my trade. I said I'll run with it, so I'll run with it. All-time highs is right here. How fucking far away is that? 1,000 ticks, 250 points away. Four-bar play up. It's crashing, bro. It's crashing. The POC flip. Bounce off here or crash? Bounce here or crash? Do not care that gold is at a record. Yeah, G. Love, brother. I'll catch you on tomorrow, G. I'll be out soon too, G. I'll be out. I think I might run with like SPX Poc. Alright. If this ain't the drop, then we ain't dropping. I think Poc Flip's here. Full bar. Oh yeah, G. Hard. I got a pretty mean one too, G. I think I'll start it tomorrow. And yeah, probably just stay on the ones. This will be last trade right now. I have to bring this down for sure. Yep, that's gone. That's gone. Unless it like reverses right there. It's gone. GG's. F2. Yep, I have to lock this. My thought though here is if we're not running all time highs, this play's coming all the way. And it will soon. Because it's like the strength of the buyers. It's lost. You can see it. Your lows right here. There's no strength up there anymore. Look at it. Look at it. Maybe not. But the strength of the buyers is lost. It's selling from here. But I've gone past my limit. I need to keep on with discipline. So tomorrow I'll probably hit the Globex range, the open, and just hit right here where I think it's gonna go. Then possibly wait for orb to form and run any fake outs and stuff. But for Globex range, I'm gonna hit Globex direction, like where it was last created, and go against that. So for the sell, that was like pretty solid right there. That was my first idea anyways, to hit probably from the previous low, previous high. It's like, yeah, 100 points already, so that's on. I like that. But I just know if I keep trading now, which I can't anyway, because I locked out, that I would be trying to chase my loss, and that's just not good. Instead of chasing like a base hit or something like 200 or whatever. You know. But this was dope anyway. Alright, I'm signing out.